it's Dario from WizeUp. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to interpret and use the customer trend report. As you can see, it's made of a graph, a pie chart on the left, and an indicator on the right. The pie chart tells you what is the number of customers that have a negative or positive trend. What we are looking at here is the individual trend in purchases of your customers, and we are considering both the periodicity of purchases and the quantity of purchases. So if the customer is decreasing the number of purchases or is decreasing the quantity of purchases, or both of them, we'll have a negative trend. If the customer is increasing the number of purchases, or if it's increasing the quantity of purchases, or if it's increasing both, we'll have a positive trend. There's a very important thing that you have to remember when you interpret and read this report. We are only considering those customers that have purchased at least 3 times. Because if you have purchased just once or twice, it's basically impossible determining the trend of these customers. Now, on the right hand side, on the other hand, you can see the overall average trend. So we are considering what is the average trend of all the customers that have purchased at least 3 times. In this case, it's positive. Now, some of you are probably thinking, of course, if the majority of my customers are increasing their purchases, the overall average trend is increasing too. The fact is that it's not always like this. And in many cases, you will see that in some situations, you will have the majority of your repeated customers that are increasing their purchases. They have, generally speaking, a positive trend, but their positive trend is less strong than the negative trend of those customers that have decided to not to purchase anymore, or to purchase less and less. And in that case, you will see an overall average trend that is negative, and the majority of your customers that have a positive trend. Now, thank you for watching. If you still have questions, you can always contact me at dario@wizeanalytics.com.